The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Lay before you understand what Her Majesty is, just of the peace and for the center of Kingston, that to it is that certain firearm to it is deposited at certain premise to it, Bertalion, in the parish of Kingston, the Archbishop of one Friday, contrary the provisions of the Gunpowder and Firearms Law, warranted.
Well, you guys can get your stuff and cut it off, please. Because my name is not in there and my address is not there. So you're welcome to cut it off. I'll make videos. You can cut it off, it's okay.
Open the gate, Cindy. Father, you have the key?
No, it's my house. I said, listen, they said, this is not what I... Papa. No, what I said, you said if I don't have that, you can cut it off. So I don't have a problem. You guys can cut it off. You said if my name is not on that, my name is not on it, my address is not on it. And no, you cannot see Cindy on that. My name is not Cindy. And they are telling me, listen, I have a lot of videos with you guys, and this one will just go viral. I had this is the third time. Okay, and every time you guys come, nothing is here. And I'm telling you guys, my name, that is not my name. And you guys say you can cut it off. I don't have a problem do that. But no one is going to come and bully me on my rights. No one is in my building that is wanted. And I give you the permission. You said if I don't, if whatever, you can cut it off. There it is. Cut it off, because I think the law says provide your warrant. If the person cannot read, you read it to them. I don't have a problem. I'm just being a decent citizen. You guys just beat me out my bed.
You said you can't read and it was read to you.
Yeah, but my name is not there on my address. I can take out my internet bill and I can show you my light bill. And my name and my address is on it.
All the names of the person inside here?
Exactly.
Okay.
A little girl in here and a little boy and me, and the next side of the house, that's my dad. Because I closed off that entrance because I gave my dad that when the storm watched him out.
Listen, you must be reminded the police is happening.
I am reminded, but because of what they did to me here so many times, I make videos. I don't have a problem letting you guys in. But you guys should come and tell me, read the warrant with my address. First thing you guys are doing to me.
You said there's no address here.
Because that you said there is no address.
You said Fertility, so you don't have an address here, don't you?
Because you said it's Fertility, so I said there's no address. So where the light bill comes, where the cable bill comes, we don't have to do that. You do the right thing that you're supposed to do. Read the warrant to me. My name is not in my address. I have every right to let you guys in. But you guys did this to me. This is the fourth time.
Well, viewers and subscribers, it's good to know your rights. Yes, it's good to know your rights. As I say, yeah, man. Anyways, big up and respect to each and every one. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, me there here again. So I just presented to you a video that shows some things that happened when law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica went to a certain location within the country of Jamaica, of course, and they wanted to enter a building, but they was not able to do so, at least up until the ending of the video that I just presented to you, because I don't know what happened after the video had been recorded. You understand me? Anyways, if you listen to the video, you will hear someone talking in the background of the video, and you can hear some things that those law enforcers said in the video, viewers and subscribers. All right, you can let me know what you think about that video, and I have one more video I'm going to present to you, and I have a few things I want to talk to you about. But before I get into those things, I would like to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. All right, now I got the understanding that there are rumors circulating about a video that is circulating on social media that shows when a frog had been pulled out of a woman's private part. You see, I don't want to get too explicit with the details. Yeah, I don't want to get too explicit with the details. So I'm going to say that the video that I'm talking about shows when a frog had been pulled out of a woman's private part. You see, I hope you understand what I said. That video circulating on social media with rumors about a public figure from within the country of Jamaica and her friend. You see me I say? And that video is also circulating on social media with other rumors as well. See it? Now, according to some things that I read in an article that I saw online, and according to some information that I got, It is said that the video had been recorded somewhere within the continent that is known as Africa. And according to some more things that I read in the article that I saw online, it is said that the video that shows a frog being pulled out of a woman's private part had nothing to do with witchcraft, but it is some type of fertility ritual practiced within Ethiopia. It is said that sometimes the people within Ethiopia also use a certain type of snakes as a part of this fertility ritual practice. According to some more things that I read in the article that I saw online, it is said that within Ethiopia, this process is believed to be some type of cure for infertility. And according to some things that I heard in the video, viewers and subscribers, I am not so sure that those persons are actually Jamaicans. See what I say? My people, be careful of misleading informations. Be careful of rumors on social media. Alright? Yeah, you can always check out Dancehall Skilla channel for accurate information. You hear me say? Accurate information. Alright, now, next topic. Now, according to some things that I read in a news article, I got the understanding that the Jamaica Association of Certified Embalmers and Funeral Directors are trying to let the funeral home that is holding the body of Kevin Smith know that there are rumors that followers of Kevin Smith are planning to snatch his body. That's the understanding that I got from the news article that I read in viewers and subscribers. See? That there are rumors that followers of Kevin Smith are planning to snatch Kevin Smith's body. Now, my people, you saw me talk about misleading information. At one point, we are here say Kevin Smith's body missing, don't it? Now we are here about rumors say followers of Kevin Smith are planning to snatch Kevin Smith's body. See? My people, you see what I talk about? My name Dancehall Skilla. Accurate information I bring to you. You hear me I tell you? Accurate information I bring to you, my people. See? Alright, so the thing what really and truly amazes me about this whole situation though, Zane, is from ever since this person who goes by the name of Kevin Smith had been arrested by the police after persons died at a church in St. James, Jamaica, sometime within the month of October. Up till this very day, that person's name is being called on all different type of accusations, allegations, rumors, and confirmed informations. You understand? I wonder when it will end. See? Anyways, just to make you know what I'm going about that. You see me? I'm going to move on to a video. The next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show some things that happened when a man entered someone's house without the person's permission. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video had been recorded. And in the video, you can hear the man arguing with at least 2 persons inside that house. See? In the video, the man also said, "I got my children here." See? Now, viewers and subscribers, I would like you to tell me what you think about this video. And I would also like you to tell me what would you do if someone who you do not want to enter your house, enter your house. What would you do? Tell me what you think, alright? Now, before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
I come out the place.
You come.
You tail in my house, right?
Yes,
Tail in my house.
God
gave it me with your stupidness.
I want you out this house.
Yeah, you see it. Please come out to my house.
I want you out this house, partner.
Please come out to my house, Demonic.
God
gave it me with your stupidness.
Me
I kept it easy the last time, you know. I got to the station.
Demonic,
please come out to this house.
I want you out this house.
I'm bad.
Yeah, I got me tyranny. I got me tyranny. Right? I got me tyranny.
You making my children feel scared right now. Please come out of my house.
I'll come back again.
Please come out of my house. You hear what I am? Please. Please come out of my house. Thank you. Please.
What you doing things? You can arm me.
Humble yourself.
You come arm me go there.
I try my best to stay out of problem.
Demonic,
Leave me
please
alone.
come out of my house.
Leave me alone.
Demonic, please come out of my house. The last conversation we had, and I tell you, don't come in my yard.
No.
You see, we reach, tell him a house. Tell him a house you reach. Come out of my house.
Huh? You go lang. No tell you.
Come out of my house, please. Leandra, please lend me a phone.
Leandra, you go lang.
Leandra, don't worry. Okay. You take your eyes and pass me. Come rush tail in my house. Tail in my house.
Leandra, you go lang.
You come and make my children feeling scared. Demonic, please come out of my house.
Huh?
And then pick up a table too. Well, I never.
Mama threatening me in the house, right? You live in it.
You put collapse me by.
What you doing in here? What you doing in here? I put police officer. By what you doing in here? There's me.
Let me come. You put collapse for me by. Huh?
Please come out
You
of
must
this.
call the police.
Demonic,
Because me going nowhere.
Demonic, you come tell him a house beside I live. What's your problem?
I going nowhere. Call the police.
What is your problem, Demonic?
Call the police.
Tell him my house you come.
Why you can't call me?
Excuse me? That is my daughter and she's very much happy.
This is my choice. This is my choice. Nobody will.
So Leandra, you spoil for the road too.
Huh?
You spoil for the road, right? You spoil for the road too.
You know what people, that situation they look away, you know? Yeah, that situation they look away for real. As I say, I mean, if that man children are at that house at the time when the video had been recorded, viewers and subscribers, then I'm wondering why would his children be there? That's one. And at the same time, persons who are in that house don't want the man in that house. You see what I said to you? So it look away. See? But here's the thing though, my people. See? Above all, when it comes down to that situation shown in that video, I think that if anyone at all call the police, that would be the best thing to do. To rectify the whole situation in a very peaceful way. I think that the police should be notified because that situation there shown in that video, or the confrontation shown in that video, seems really hostile, my people. Yeah, for real, is what I say. But anyways, you, my viewers and subscribers, can let me know what you think about that video. You see what I say? Yeah, me not go add nothing to it, and me not go materialize certain false information or try to give you some understanding what me don't know about. You see? Yeah, so I'm gonna left it right there. So big up and respect each and everyone. And until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I want to big up, you see?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.